Can you play baseball 9 with friends? Yes, but limitedly. So if you go to leagues here, if you go to leagues, you can see there's things called standings, stats, schedules, and levels. Now, there's no direct way you can play with friends on baseball 9. They don't have that feature yet. But the way that you can play with friends, so to say, is that you can compare all of these and compete for the high score. You can compete standings, stats, schedule, and levels. So if you have friends, you can go ahead and go to this section here and then compare your score. And then you guys can play and then see who can get the highest score. Unfortunately, though, again, there is no direct way you can play with friends on Baseball 9. You can't go head to head. There's no PvP. You can't do versuses or things like that, unfortunately. So there's no way to do that. The only way you can sort of play is that you can go to leagues and then you can go to standing, stats, schedule, or levels and see who can aim for the highest